Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my sawed-off shotgun. Here it is. So first, you want a half sheet of A4 paper. So this is a quarter size A4, and here's a half of that. I already cut that out. Right. Or this was originally made from a strip of paper, extra strip of paper that I got from cutting a square, and I just had a whole bunch of them. So you can also use that if you do what I do. Okay, or a half sheet of A4 paper. Okay, so first you want to fold it in half, like so. Okay, then you want to fold it in half this way. Like so, and you want to bring this edge right here, this end, to the center end right there. Okay, like so. And now you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay. Like this. Then you want, see where this is right here? You want to fold this edge right here to the top edge right there. So open this pocket right here and fold this edge right up to the top. Okay, and you want to do the same thing on the other side. So bring this edge right up to the top. Okay. Then you want to unfold this. Then you want to bring this corner right here right onto this center line. Okay, and fold it right up to this corner at the end. Okay, and the same thing on the other side. So this corner to the center line all the way up to the end, the corner at the end. Okay, and now you want to fold this end here right onto the center line, like a paper airplane. So bring this up on top like that. And same thing on the other side. Okay. Then you want to fold this back in half. Okay, kind of press it down. And now you want to fold this end, open the pocket here and fold it down right on to the end of this. This is going to be the pistol grip. Okay. And now give it a little dent in the front of the pistol grip to give it that shape. And now you're gonna roll out the barrels here. Okay, you see a W. So you want to bring this center crease line right onto the top here and the side edge, okay, to kind of roll it out. So fold that right up to the top and bring this side edge onto the center line here. Okay, then afterward, kind of roll it like that. So same thing on this side. So you see this center edge here, bring it up to this top and bring this edge onto that center crease line. Okay, then you can roll that out. And here is my origami shotgun. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.